Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your old Anna University results. First, ensure you have your correct university registration number ready, as it is a unique identifier. You will also need your precise date of birth for identity verification on the official portal. These two crucial pieces of information are fundamental to accessing any archived academic records quickly and securely, making the entire process straightforward for you. Once you have your details, open your web browser and go to the official Anna University examination website. It is crucial to use the authentic site to protect your personal information. Navigate to the Examination or Results tab, typically found on the homepage or in the main menu. From there, seek out the specific link for old results or a similar option to proceed to the next step. On the results page, you will find fields to enter your details. Carefully type your complete registration number, ensuring there are no errors, as even one incorrect digit will prevent access. Then, input your date of birth in the exact format requested, perhaps with slashes or hyphens. Finally, select the specific examination session from the available drop-down menu to pinpoint your desired results. After submitting your information, your old result will appear on the screen. Take a moment to thoroughly verify all the details, including your name, registration number, and subject marks. If you require a physical copy, use your browser's print option. For digital safekeeping, save the page as a PDF file, ensuring easy access to your academic record whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.